Hey scholars, I'm excited because today we have a little art activity that we get to do. So we know Thursday is Earth Day, and I figured why not make our own planet Earth? So for this, all you need is a coffee filter and then 2 markers. I want it to look like Earth, so I'm gonna do green and blue. And then you're gonna need some water. Now, it's easiest if you have a spray bottle to put your water in, but you can just very carefully get it wet. That's okay too. Go ahead, grab those materials, and then meet me back here. So I'm not going to make Earth look perfect or anything because I'm not that talented of an artist, but I'm gonna take my markers and I'm just gonna kind of color some blue and green blobs all over my coffee filter. Now, I'm doing this on a paper plate just to be safe because sometimes markers will bleed through and we don't want to accidentally make any bigger of a mess than we need to. Okay, I'm gonna start with my green first. I'm gonna make all my little bits of land on my coffee filter. So go ahead, let's get started. All right, I've got my green. My marker kind of ran out a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a whole bunch of blue now. So go ahead, do the same. All right, I got my green, I got my blue. It doesn't have to look perfect. That's the cool part, is what happens next should help solve any problems with what's going on here. Now again, I said I'm doing this on a paper plate because water is involved, so we want to kind of keep our mess to a minimum. Another suggestion is you might want to put a paper towel underneath or just go to a space where if a mess happens, it's okay. So make sure you're in that space. If you need an adult's permission, go ahead and do that. Or if you need their help, make sure they're there to help you out. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna pretend my water's like rain. I don't know, just for fun. So I'm going to spray planet Earth with the water. If you happen to have a spray bottle, do the same. And if you're using just some water out of a cup, slowly, carefully add your water. You don't want it to be too much at a time. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the water. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'll hold my phone up on top of it as the water and my colors start to combine a little bit. All right, y'all, check it out. The water and my colors starting to combine just a little bit. Kind of looking a little bit like tie-dye. I think I'm gonna add just a little more water. See if that helps get things moving just a little bit more. Ooh, I see my colors moving. All right, check it out. All right, so I'm gonna let mine dry a little bit. And then once it's all dry, I kind of want to hang it on the window or something, but not till it's dry. Just so that way when the sun comes through, I have these beautiful colors all mixing together. Pretty excited. Now this is a really important part. This is a favor I need you guys to do me. I want to see what yours look like. So if you had an opportunity to get a coffee filter, color on it just a little bit, and then add some water to see what happens, please send me pictures and videos so that I can see them, so that your teachers can see them, and maybe so that the KVP Instagram can see them. I can't wait. I love you guys.